Hey everyone, welcome back to the CopQuest YouTube channel. My name is David. I'm the manager of agency sales, and today we're going to do a follow-up to one of our previous videos where we talked about Safariland QLS, that is Quick Locking System. In our previous video, we didn't show QLS attached to the belt, so we wanted to take this opportunity to show you. So on my duty belt here, I have a 6075 UBL, which is a low ride for a 2 1/4 inch with a QLS 22 receiver plate attached. Once your holster has the QLS 19 attached, you can take it and slide it in, and that lock indicates that it is now secure. So your holster is attached and you can go about your duty. So one benefit of QLS is, say you're going into the jail. So if you're going into the jail and normally you would remove your firearm from the holster and then put it into a lockbox. Well, there's always the chance, no matter what firearm you're using, of something happening. So the safest place for it is to remain in your holster. So with QLS, rather than removing your firearm from the holster to put it into the lockbox, you will simply remove your entire holster, and then this, as one unit, will go into your lockbox. Another benefit to this is great for recreational shooters, where if you have multiple holsters, then you can simply swap out your holsters and you don't have to have different belts and different setups and take time and take this belt loop off and put it on and whatnot. So another set of questions that had some concern was whether QLS, when attached to, say, a level 3 duty holster, would then change that level 3 duty holster's retention level from 3 to like 2 or 1 or whatever, because QLS passes Safariland's level 1 duty holster retention test. To answer this, Safariland really hasn't put anything out definitively about it that I'm aware of, but they do produce, it's called a model 6304. And what that is a level 3 duty holster with a QLS fork already attached from the factory. So, in my professional opinion, a level 3 duty holster, even though this particular sample is a level 1, just saying in a level 3, so a level 3 duty holster with a QLS 19 fork attached will not change the level of retention for the holster itself. Let's say you're in a scuffle with someone and they are trying to remove your holster from you. Let me show you just exactly what you need to do and how difficult it can be for someone to take your holster. I'm not gonna say it's impossible, but this is a way to help reduce that. So as they're fighting and they're pushing up on your holster to try and remove it, all you need to do is simply push back down till you hear that click, knowing that QLS has re-engaged, and keep that downward pressure with your dominant hand, because they're not going to be able to push the holster up and strip you of your holster. I hope you enjoyed our quick informational follow-up video on Safariland QLS. If you're interested in picking any up for yourself, CopQuest has them in stock at CopQuest.com. Whether you want the Quick Kit 1, the QLS 19 fork, or the QLS 22 receiver plate, we've got them in stock, ready to ship. So thanks again, be safe, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, because we love putting out great content for you. Talk to you later.